So I have a bigger ramp in now, but this is just a temporary one, so I can sort of work out what size I need. But I do have a particular funny problem that I never expected. See, I can dial the voltage down with this, and you can see when it starts to measure again. Don't worry about the voltage that appears down here. That's just a setting I've got it at. But if I go up, you can see it dramatically goes up. Whereas before with the smaller ones, it was more, well, it was more controllable. Yes, anyway, that's where I'm at. But you can see that I've run this thing's been running for about 15 minutes already, and she ain't flickering, whereas the small one, I flick it after 2 minutes.